Hello, aspiring quality management professional. I am Dr. Trivedi with 15 years of experience as a Lean Six Sigma coach. Today, I am thrilled to announce an exciting opportunity for all of you. Are you looking to enhance your skills and advance your career in quality management? Are you ready to take your understanding of Lean Six Sigma to the next level? If so, I have a perfect solution for you. I am offering a comprehensive course designed to help aspirant of quality management professionals to achieve Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. This certification is not just a badge on your resume. It is a testament of your expertise and commitment to the excellence. So, what are the benefits of pursuing Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification with me? Let me break it down for you. Practical knowledge. You will gain practical insights and real-world case studies from my extensive experience as Lean Six Sigma practitioner. Expert guidance. As a Six Sigma black belt and a seasoned coach, I will provide you with expert guidance and support in every walk of the way. Industry recognition. Council for Six Sigma certified Lean Six Sigma Green Belt accreditation course would help you to access any industry across the world. Enhanced skills. You will develop valuable skills in process improvement, problem solving and data analysis that are in the high demand across the industry today. Networking opportunities. Joining this course, you will be able to access the community and like-minded professional and expert into the field. But perhaps the most important benefit of all is impact you will make. You mastering Lean Six Sigma principles, you will not only drive the efficiency and cost effectiveness, but you will be able to contribute to the culture of continuous improvement and for the excellence. So, if you are ready to take your career to the new heights and become certified Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, I invite you to enroll in my program. Together, we can embark the journey of learning, transformation and growth. Thank you for considering this opportunity and I look forward to welcoming you into the course. Let's make the difference together.